Today I'm going to be staying the night in a luxury gypsy wagon in South Africa. I'm going to be staying at Treedom Villas and Vardos in the little town of Wilderness in South Africa. My plan is to document my stay at Treedom Villas and Vardos. I will show you the room and everything there is to do there. Let's go! Welcome to the Gypsy Vardo at Treedom Villas and Vardos. Let's go check it out. Wow, I really love this Vardo at Treedom Villas and Vardos. I'm staying in the Gypsy Vardo right here at Treedom Villas and Vardos in Wilderness, South Africa. I have a feeling that my stay here is going to be awesome. There's definitely something special about this place and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come and stay here. If you want to check that out, the link is down in the description below. It's at a really great price for everything that you get here. If you have a look on their website, you'll see that Treedom Villas and Vardos is a fantasy destination made real. I'm pretty sure I've had a dream about this place, so it makes sense. Vardos were originally created in the mid-1800s and were used by British Romanical travelers as their home. So, if you want to stay the night, there are two unique Vardos, each with its own story, and there is also a villa for bigger groups. If you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description as well. So, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at Treedom Villas and Vardos and give them a call to get in. Okay, perfect. See you now. And then you'll go inside and park in the parking lot. Do not attempt to drive down because there are no cars allowed. Then you'll walk down a relatively steep but short hill to the Vardos, so be aware. It is pretty steep, so it makes sense why they tell you not to drive your car down, so you better listen to them. Let's go to the Vardo. Eventually you'll arrive at the Vardos, so without further ado, let's go inside our private entrance and see what the Gypsy Vardo has to offer. Wow. Welcome inside. When you first walk in, the colourful and vibrant Gypsy Vardo catches your eye. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. When you make your way inside the Vardo, the first thing that catches your eye is the kitchen. So let's start there. In this kitchen there is everything that you need and more. Over here you'll find all the cutlery. It looks like there's everything. And over here you'll find some plates. Very nice stuff. Over here you'll find the pots and pans, and I love the colour of it. There are countertops on both sides of the Vardo, so that's great that there's extra space. The glasses are up top over here, and that just reminded me that I'm pretty thirsty. I could use a drink. Cheers. These both look great, but I'm going to be using the oven to cook a pizza in it later, so I'm looking forward to that. This fridge looks great. I've already put some of my stuff that I brought with inside. You'll see the entrance of the bedroom invites you in with kissing moons to get you in the mood to cuddle. Unfortunately, I'm here by myself, so I'll be taking a look at cuddle resumes in the comments down below. There is a queen-size bed to ensure that you have the best night's sleep. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have a good night's sleep. I weren't lying about that. There's also plenty of space to put your luggage under the bed. Moving on, let's check out the bathroom. This is a bright bathroom with cool tiling, a shower, toilet, sink, and the view of the forest. This is actually way bigger than I thought it would be. That is everything in the Vardo. Let's go outside and explore the private outside garden area. First off, there is a greenhouse where you can sit, chill, or enjoy your meal at this table. Supper! There is a private fire pit or bra for you to enjoy, which is awesome. You could definitely make a great fire over here, so after you're done frying the marshmallows, you can go chill on the moon swing. This moon swing is really cool, really unique, great idea. Or you could chill on the 4-poster daybed. You can get some awesome photos over here. Then if you go around and have a look at the back of the Gypsy Vardo, you'll see that they've created a unique guest book where you can leave a comment or quote on the back of the actual Vardo. That is awesome, what a cool design. They leave you a mark here inside, so look out for that when you come visit. So, that is everything that the Gypsy Vardo has to offer. Let's go see what else Treedom Villas and Vardos has to do. They grow their own vegetables over here, which is really cool. Right behind me there are some tomatoes, and they're probably going to be harvested pretty soon, it looks like. You can go see this incredible view on the property. This is a crazy viewpoint. This is the love tunnel, where you can have a private love tunnel dinner, which is in the forest under a handmade woven tunnel. This is amazing. Here, there is an infrared and hot stone sauna and love pool experience, which I was going to do, but unfortunately I realized that I left the costume at home, so I'll have to save that for another time. But if you do come here, I highly recommend that you do this experience. It seems so fun. Moving on, me and Junior, I just made a friend. Say what's up, Junior.
I'm doing a cool job here.
Jess, you're a natural at this, eh?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to the people, Junior?
Good day today.
It is a good day today, eh?
Yeah. See you later.
When the sun goes down, this place looks magical. Everything is lit up, the Gypsy Vardo, the greenhouse, and the moon swing. I then made my way to the greenhouse for supper. I'm eating a pizza that I made. But there is also a Vardo private dining experience where you can have either a 2 or 3 course meal. But unfortunately, it's only one tonight. Pizza was delicious, I really enjoyed it. But now I'm feeling pretty tired, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. night. So I will see you guys in the morning. So that is everything that I did at Treedom Villas in Vardos. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers! There is a private... I just wrote my comment down, but I actually made a spelling mistake, of course. It's like when you try to write something down and it's important, it's a good chance you're going to make a mistake. I spelled definitely wrong, but let's not talk about that. I fixed it.
See you later.
Wait, before you do that, say see you later.
I have the same shoes than those ones.
You have the same shoes, just be matching, eh? Supper! that was so loud.
Yeah. Ooh.
I'm not quite sure what this thing is. I think it's some type of swing, but it's pretty cool.